Good morning, students. How are you all? Hoping that you are all fine. Isn't it, ma? Students, today we can see today live mathematics. Take all of you page number 125 in your term book. See the fill in the blanks first of all. If 30% of x is 150, then x is dash. The answer will be 500. How is it possible, ma? Given 30% of x is 150, then write in steps. 30 by 100. 30% means 30 by 100, isn't it, ma? Then of x means into multiplied by x equal to 150. Then what will be x? Keep the x left hand side and take the all numbers to right hand side to the equal to. Okay, then 30 by 100 will be 100 by 30. Then simplify the number and get the answer x equal to 500. Okay, ma? Then see the second sum. 2 minutes is does percentage to an hour. The answer will be 1 by 3 percentage. How is it possible, ma? Let 2 minutes be x percentage. 2 minutes be x percentage. Let it be x percentage. What do you know about hour? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, not minutes. Then x percentage, how is it possible? 2 by 60, isn't it? 2 by 60 into 100. 2 by 60 into 100, isn't it? Then solve it. 200 by 60. Then get the answer 10 by 3 and 1 by 3 percentage. Okay, ma? See the third subdivision in fill in the blanks. If x percentage of x equal to 25, then what will be x value? Here they have given x percentage of x. X is what they have given? 25. Then x by 100 into x will be 25, isn't it? Then find the x square and 25 into 100, that is equal to 25 into 1000, that is 2500. Then find the x by square root method and the answer will be 50. The answer will be 50. Okay, ma'am? In a school of 1400 students, there are 420 girls. The percentage of boys they have asked. The percentage of boys. You can simply find. Okay, ma? You have to find the boys, number of boys first, then percentage. The number of boys will be what? 1400 minus 420. Get the answer 980. Then find the percentage of it. Okay. That is equal to, for finding percentage you have to multiply it by 100, ma? Okay, then it will be 70%. See the fifth subdivision. 0.5252 is dash percentage. First convert into the, here the number is in, they have given in decimal, isn't it? You convert into fraction and find the percentage. Multiply it to 100. Then it will be percentage. That is also one method. You do simply that type. Okay, ma? Into any number, if we multiply with the 100, we get the percentage. So multiply it to 100 and move the decimal place towards the right side. Okay, ma? You know the multiplication decimal with multiplication with the 0 numbers, isn't it? When we multiply with the 10 any number, you have to move to right side one decimal place. When we multiply with the 100 to any decimal number, we move the decimal point towards the two decimal number, isn't it? You know it, you recall it. Okay ma? Okay, then see the we have completed fill in the blanks. Okay ma? Then see this second Roman letter. Rewrite each underlined part using percentage language. They have given what ma? You have to tell in percentage language. 1/2 of the cake. They have given 1/2. That means 50%. Okay ma? Then see the second question. Aparna scored 7.5 points out of 10. How will you ma? Percentage language. Multiply it with 100. See the second sum. Aparna scored 7.5 points out of 10 in a competition. You have to give it in percentage. Multiply it with 100. Then the point will be moved towards the right side. That is 75%. We get 75%. Uh, 7.5 divided by, you put 7.5 divided by 10 multiplied by 100, then you get 75%. Okay ma? See the third sum. The statue was made of pure silver. Pure means fully. Okay, that means 100%. Pure silver means there are no other metal. So 100 out of 100 parts is made of silver. So you have to give pure silver means 100%. Pure silver means 100%. Okay ma? Then in fourth subdivision, 48 out of 50. How will you give? They have given 48 out of 50. So you have to convert into out of 100. Out of 100. Okay ma'am? For this you have to do first 96%. Answer will be 96%. How is it possible ma? As a percentage we need to multiply it by 100. Then 48 by 50 into 100. The answer is 96%. You first solve it, cut it with the 50 and 100, then multiply 2 with 48, we get 96%. Okay ma? See this sum, see the hint ma, you can understand very well. Fifth subdivision, see, only 2 persons out of 3 will be selected. 2 persons out of 3. First the fraction is what ma? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then multiply it with 100. Then solve it, you get the answer 66 2 by 3%. Okay ma? Then see the third sum. Question number 3. 48 is 32% of which number? 48 is, see the solution ma. Let the number be x. Given that 32% of x is 48. Then you write the step. They have you write the clue ma. 30. What do you know about x? 32 by 100 of x is 48. First of all you write the step. And put the x in left hand side and the number to right hand side. You get the answer 150. See the solution here. 32 by 100 into x equal to 48. Then keep the x to the left hand side and put the numbers to the right hand side. Then 48 into 100 by 32. Then solve it and get the answer x equal to 150. Okay ma? Here see the fourth sum. What is 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400. For this you have to find out 30 percentage of 400, then 25 percentage of that answer. Okay ma, required to find out 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400. You can see this answer in exercise already given. I think this I give lately this answer. Okay ma, I write the solution first and give you to later. Okay, here it is not find out, so I give the answer lately. Okay ma, shall we go to the next sum? If a car is sold for 2 lakh from its original price of 3 lakh, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. There is 1 lakh, isn't it ma? But they have asked the percentage. The loss is here 1 lakh. Find the percentage. Here see 1 lakh is, find the percentage. The answer will be, for this also they have not given the answer. I give the answer for 4 and 5. Okay ma, thank you.